Imagine a world where you could invest in your favorite brands while getting incredible deals on everyday items. What if you could access a platform that combines the power of crowdfunding with the convenience of e-commerce? This is no longer a distant dream, but a reality with CFT Club E-commerce, a South African company that's changing the game and empowering ordinary people like you and me. CFT Club E-commerce is built on the belief that everyone deserves a shot at financial freedom and access to quality products and services. They've created a unique model that combines crowdfunding, e-commerce, and a supportive community, all under one roof. This means you can invest in promising businesses, shop for a wide range of products at discounted prices, and connect with like-minded individuals all in one place. But how does it actually work, you ask? It's simple. You start by becoming a member of the CFT Club E-commerce family. For a small yearly fee, you unlock a world of opportunities, including access to exclusive deals, investment opportunities, and a range of value-added services. This membership is your ticket to a world of smarter shopping and investing. Intrigued? Read on to discover how CFT Club E-commerce is empowering South Africans and shaping the future of investment and shopping. CFT Club E-commerce is more than just a platform. It's a thriving community of individuals passionate about supporting local businesses and achieving financial well-being. This sense of community sets it apart from traditional e-commerce giants. When you join CFT Club E-commerce, you become part of something bigger, a movement that believes in collective growth and shared success. What makes CFT Club E-commerce truly unique is its innovative approach to crowdfunding. They've made it incredibly easy for anyone to become an investor, regardless of their financial background. Through the platform, you can invest small amounts in promising startups and businesses, becoming a part owner and sharing in their success. But CFT Club E-commerce doesn't stop there. They understand that financial well-being goes beyond investment. That's why they offer a diverse range of services designed to make your life easier and more affordable. From book listings and grocery coupons to travel savings and telecommunications, CFT Club E-commerce has got you covered. So whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a savvy shopper, or simply someone looking for ways to save money and make your life easier, CFT Club E-commerce has something special in store for you. Join the movement and let's explore the possibilities together. The beauty of CFT Club E-commerce lies in its simplicity and affordability. For a small yearly membership fee, you unlock a treasure trove of benefits and opportunities. Think of it as an investment in yourself, your future, and your community. This membership is your gateway to a world of smarter shopping, exciting investment opportunities, and exclusive deals you won't find anywhere else. With your CFT Club E-commerce membership, you're not just a customer, you're a valued member of a community. This means you get access to exclusive deals and discounts on a wide range of products and services. From fashion and electronics to groceries and travel, there's something for everyone. You can finally treat yourself and your loved ones without breaking the bank. But the benefits don't stop there. CFT Club E-commerce is committed to your financial well-being, and they understand that knowledge is power. That's why they provide their members with access to valuable resources and tools, including trading education, to help you make informed investment decisions. With CFT Club E-commerce, you're not just investing, you're learning and growing along the way. So why wait? Take control of your financial future and join the CFT Club E-commerce family today. CFT Club E-commerce understands that life is about more than just shopping. It's about experiencing new things, pursuing your passions, and connecting with loved ones. That's why they go above and beyond to offer a diverse range of services that cater to your every need and aspiration. Let's say you're an avid reader, always on the lookout for your next literary adventure. With CFT Club E-commerce's book listings, you can discover new authors, explore different genres, and get amazing deals on your favorite books. Imagine curling up on the couch with a captivating novel, knowing you got it at a fraction of the regular price. Or perhaps you're a foodie who loves exploring new cuisines and flavors. CFT Club E-commerce has you covered with their grocery coupons, allowing you to try new ingredients, stock up on your pantry staples, and save money on your weekly grocery shopping. Imagine the delicious meals you can create without breaking the bank. And for those bitten by the travel bug, CFT Club E-commerce offers incredible travel savings on flights, accommodation, and holiday packages. Imagine exploring exotic destinations, experiencing different cultures, and creating unforgettable memories with your loved ones, all while staying within your budget. CFT Club E-commerce believes that everyone deserves access to financial education, regardless of their background or income level. They understand that knowledge is power, especially when it comes to managing your finances and making smart investment decisions. That's why they offer comprehensive trading education resources to their members, empowering them to take control of their financial future. Through their user-friendly platform and educational materials, CFT Club E-commerce breaks down complex financial concepts into easy-to-understand language. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience in trading, their educational resources cater to all levels. They provide you with the tools and knowledge to make informed investment decisions, understand market trends, and manage your risk effectively. CFT Club E-commerce's commitment to financial literacy goes beyond just providing information. They foster a supportive community where members can connect with each other, share their experiences, and learn from seasoned investors. This sense of community creates a safe and encouraging environment for beginners to ask questions, seek guidance, and gain confidence in their trading abilities. By empowering their members with financial literacy, CFT Club E-commerce is not only helping individuals achieve their financial goals, but also contributing to building a more financially inclusive society. They believe that everyone deserves a chance to grow their wealth and achieve financial freedom, and their trading education resources are a testament to that commitment. For the bibliophiles and knowledge seekers, CFT Club E-commerce opens up a world of literary wonders with its extensive book listings. Imagine having access to a vast digital library where you can find books from all genres, authors, and time periods, all at incredibly affordable prices. Whether you're an avid reader who devours books like their oxygen or someone who enjoys the occasional escape into a good story, CFT Club E-commerce's book listings cater to every taste and preference. You can explore new authors, rediscover old favorites, and expand your literary horizons without breaking the bank. Imagine the joy of stumbling upon a hidden gem, a book that speaks to your soul, all thanks to CFT Club E-commerce's curated selection. But it's not just about the vast selection. CFT Club E-commerce understands that finding the right book can be a deeply personal experience. That's why they've designed their platform to make it easy for you to browse, discover, and connect with books that resonate with your interests. You can search by genre, author, title, or even keywords, ensuring that you find exactly what you're looking for. So whether you're looking for your next page-turner, a thought-provoking biography, or a captivating work of fiction, CFT Club E-commerce's book listings have got you covered. Immerse yourself in the world of literature, expand your knowledge, and embark on new literary adventures with CFT Club E-commerce by your side. We all know that grocery shopping can put a dent in our budget, especially with the rising cost of living. But what if there was a way to save money on your weekly grocery runs without compromising on quality or variety? Enter CFT Club E-commerce's grocery coupons, a game changer for budget-conscious shoppers and families looking to stretch their hard-earned money further. Imagine walking into your favorite grocery store armed with a stack of coupons that offer discounts on your everyday essentials, from fresh produce and pantry staples to household cleaning supplies and personal care products. With CFT Club E-commerce's grocery coupons, you can finally say goodbye to those dreaded moments of sticker shock at the checkout counter. But it's not just about saving money, it's also about making healthier choices without breaking the bank. CFT Club E-commerce partners with various grocery stores and brands to offer discounts on healthy food options, encouraging their members to prioritize their well-being without sacrificing affordability. Imagine being able to afford those organic fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grain products that were once considered a luxury. So whether you're a seasoned coupon clipper or new to the world of grocery savings, CFT Club E-commerce's grocery coupons are a simple yet effective way to reduce your grocery bills and make your budget stretch further. Start saving today and experience the satisfaction of knowing you're getting the best value for your money. For the wanderlust-stricken souls who dream of exploring new destinations and experiencing different cultures, CFT Club E-commerce offers incredible travel savings that make those dreams a reality. Imagine jet-setting to exotic locations, soaking up the sun on pristine beaches, or immersing yourself in the hustle and bustle of vibrant cities, all while staying within your budget. CFT Club E-commerce partners with airlines, hotels, and travel agencies to offer their members exclusive discounts on flights, accommodation, and holiday packages. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a solo adventure, CFT Club E-commerce has got you covered with deals that fit your travel style and budget. Imagine the thrill of booking that dream trip you thought was out of reach, all thanks to CFT Club E-commerce's travel savings. But it's not just about the discounts. It's also about making travel more accessible and enjoyable for everyone. CFT Club E-commerce understands that planning a trip can be overwhelming, so they've designed their platform to make it easy for you to find the best deals, compare options, and book your perfect getaway with peace of mind. Imagine the convenience of having all your travel needs met in one place, from finding the best flights to securing comfortable accommodation. So whether you're dreaming of a tropical escape, a cultural immersion, or an adventure-filled expedition, CFT Club E-commerce's travel savings can help you get there for less. Pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready to explore the world with CFT Club E-commerce as your travel companion. In today's interconnected world, staying connected is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. We rely on our phones and internet connections for everything from communication and work to entertainment and staying informed. But those monthly telecommunication bills can add up, putting a strain on our budgets. CFT Club E-commerce recognizes this challenge and offers incredible telecommunication deals to help their members stay connected without breaking the bank. Imagine enjoying crystal-clear calls, lightning-fast internet speeds, and all the data you need to browse, stream, and connect with your loved ones, all at a fraction of the cost. CFT Club E-commerce partners with leading telecommunication providers to offer their members exclusive discounts on mobile plans, data packages, and internet services. Whether you're a heavy data user, a frequent caller, or simply need a reliable internet connection, CFT Club E-commerce has a plan that fits your needs and budget. But it's not just about saving money, it's also about having the flexibility and freedom to choose a plan that suits your lifestyle. CFT Club E-commerce understands that everyone has different communication needs, so they offer a variety of options to choose from, ensuring that you're not locked into a contract that doesn't work for you. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're getting the best value for your money without compromising on quality or service. So whether you're looking for a new mobile plan, need to upgrade your internet service, or simply want to save money on your telecommunication bills, CFT Club E-commerce has got you covered. Stay connected, stay informed, and stay in touch with your loved ones without breaking the bank, thanks to CFT Club E-commerce's telecommunication deals. CFT Club E-commerce is more than just a platform. It's a movement that's empowering South Africans from all walks of life. By democratizing investment opportunities, providing access to affordable products and services, and fostering a supportive community, CFT Club E-commerce is making a real difference in the lives of ordinary people. Imagine a South Africa where everyone has the opportunity to achieve financial freedom, regardless of their background or income level. CFT Club E-commerce is making this vision a reality by providing the tools, resources, and support system needed to thrive in today's economy. By breaking down financial barriers and empowering individuals to take control of their finances, CFT Club E-commerce is creating a more inclusive and equitable society. But it's not just about the financial benefits. It's also about the sense of community and belonging that CFT Club E-commerce fosters. By connecting like-minded individuals who believe in supporting local businesses and empowering each other, CFT Club E-commerce is creating a ripple effect of positive change throughout South Africa. Imagine the impact of a community that comes together to lift each other, share opportunities, and celebrate successes. Join the movement. Be part of the CFT Club E-commerce revolution. Are you ready to unlock a world of opportunities, save money, and make a real difference in your community? Then join the CFT Club E-commerce revolution today. By becoming a member, you're not just signing up for a service. You're joining a movement that's changing the game and empowering South Africans one membership at a time. Visit the CFT Club E-commerce website or download their app to learn more about their services, browse their product listings, and discover the power of community-driven commerce. Together, let's build a brighter future for South Africa. One investment, one purchase, and one connection at a time.